Hey friends, imagine this. It's Saturday morning. No alarm, no rush. Just you, your coffee, and a little English practice with me. Sounds like a good plan, right? Today, we're diving into the weekend. Specifically, my weekend routine. I'll share what I do, and together we'll learn real-life English for everyday chats. We'll practice listening, speaking, and pick up some super useful phrases you can use right away. I'll speak slowly and clearly, so you can listen, repeat, and really get it. Think of this as two friends just chatting about our weekends. Ready? Let's get started. Welcome to my Saturday morning. On weekends, I like to start my day a bit differently. First off, I usually sleep in. Sleep in means sleeping longer than I do on work days. No alarm, just waking up naturally. It feels so good to rest. Repeat after me. I like to sleep in on Saturdays. Great job. I get up around 9 a.m., much later than my weekday 6:30 a.m. start. I stretch, yawn, and think, it's the weekend. Next, coffee time. I head to the kitchen and brew a fresh pot. I just love that smell. I might say, I can't start my day without my coffee. What about you, coffee or tea? While I'm sipping my coffee, I'll whip up some breakfast, maybe scrambled eggs or pancakes. I'll say to myself, time for breakfast. Let's make something yummy. Sometimes I just have cereal. But I love treating myself to a hot breakfast on weekends. After breakfast, it's time for some light, small jobs around the house, like cleaning. I'll tidy up the kitchen, which means making it look neat and organized. I wash the dishes and wipe the counters. I might also do the laundry, which means washing dirty clothes. I pop them in the machine and let it run while I relax. Repeat after me. On weekends, I do the laundry. Perfect. Now it's Saturday afternoon, which means it's time for fun. My weekends aren't just about housework. I love to go out and enjoy the day. Let's practice speaking with a few scenarios. I'll act out a situation, and you'll answer out loud as if we're really talking. Don't be shy. I'll pause to give you time. Hi, it's Emma. The weather is beautiful, isn't it? Want to join me at the park? Now, it's your turn. How would you reply if you wanted to go? You could say, sure, that sounds great. Or yes, I'd love to go to the park with you. So, we're at the park. I say, I'm so happy you came. It's a perfect afternoon to hang out. To hang out just means to spend time together, relaxing and chatting. At the park, I might ask, what do you want to do? We could take a walk, grab a snack, or just enjoy the sun. Now you answer. Maybe you'd say, let's take a walk. Or how about we play frisbee? Great ideas. While walking, I might ask, so, how was your week? Or do you come to this park often? These are common, casual questions. You could answer, my week was good, thanks, or yes, I come here every Saturday. Feel free to answer me now. The more you speak, the more confident you'll get. After the park, I might need to run some errands, like buying groceries. Groceries are the food and household items you get from the store. I'll say, I'm heading to the supermarket to do some grocery shopping. Want to come with me? How would you reply? You could say, yes, I need to buy some things too. Or okay, let's go shopping together. Inside the supermarket, I might ask, do we need a shopping cart or just a basket? Or, I have to pick up some vegetables for dinner. Pick up here means to get or buy. Let's do a quick role play. Hi, I need to buy milk, eggs, and bread. What's on your shopping list? Your turn. Name a couple of things. Awesome. Oh look, the fruit is on sale today. Should we buy some apples? Your turn again. Maybe you said, sure, I love apples, or no thanks, I have some at home. Fantastic, you're making active decisions in English. Weekends are also a great time to visit friends. Let's imagine we go to my friend Sarah's house for a small get asterisk, knock, knock, asterisk, Sarah opens the door. Hi, Emma. Come on in. Oh, you brought a friend? That's you. Welcome. In the living room, Sarah might ask you, how was your morning? You can practice answering with what we learned. It was good. I slept in and made a nice breakfast. See? You're using the new phrases. Then, Sarah says, we're going to watch a movie later. Do you want to join us? I turn to you and ask, what do you think? Should we stay? Your turn to answer. You might say, sure, sounds fun, or politely decline with, actually, I have to go soon. After a busy afternoon, it's time for a relaxing Saturday evening. I typically stay in, which means I stay home. I might say, I'm going to stay in tonight and just chill. Chill or chill out just means to relax. For dinner, I might cook some pasta or order a pizza if I'm feeling lazy. After dinner, I like to wind down. To wind down means to relax after a busy day. For me, that means watching a movie or reading a book. By around 10 p.m., I start feeling sleepy and head to bed around 11. And that's my Saturday. We've reached the end of our weekend journey. Now, I challenge you. Describe your own weekend routine in English. Write it in the comments below, or just say it out loud. Try using phrases like sleep in, hang out, and stay in. I'd love to read about your weekends. If you enjoyed this, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more English practice. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Your support helps me create more videos for you. Thanks for spending this time with me. The more you practice in real-life scenarios, the more confident you'll become. Enjoy your weekend, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.